Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are doing great. And I hope you all have already subscribed my channel. But those who have not subscribed yet, please go to my channel and press the bell icon and subscribe it. Okay, so let's start our today's topic, that is human environment interaction, and the last one, that is environmental pollution. So in human environment interaction, I would like to tell that we all know class that human and environment both are interrelated and interdependent on each other. Plus, human need environment for its growth and development and for existence as well. So there are so many activities, like primary activities we can say, which provides food and raw material, without which advanced societies cannot survive and progress. So these primary activities we can say like fishing, forestry, mining, farming, or you can say agriculture, etc., which comes under the primary activity. Plus human beings and their activities, we can say that they are a great danger to the environment. You can take example of population. Day by day there is increase of this population in our world, which ultimately leads to cutting down of the trees, cutting down of the forest land, and in this way they are building the settlements and the factories and the industries. So in this sense we can say that humans are great danger to the environment, as they have exploited this environment plus misused it to a great extent. Okay, so next is environmental pollution. Now, environmental pollution, it is a very deep topic. So please listen carefully as well as try to understand in a more better way. Today the whole world is facing lot of issues and problems due to the various things like technological, scientific, and overpopulation, urbanization, industrialization. Due to all these things, the whole world is facing many problems. This environmental pollution is the result of all these things and the unwise use of technology. There are so many workers, or there are so many scientists, technologists who are working to solve the environmental pollution problems which are facing the world, but still environmental pollution is the result of unplanned and unwise use of technology. It is important that all of us should understand and learn to live and use the environment in a harmonious way. Only then will a balance in nature can be maintained. So in last I can tell that man, that is we people, we should be careful to see that our actions, our activities do not create imbalance in the environment, and we should not repeat our mistakes. That is the only way to save our existence on earth. Otherwise, there are chances of man becoming extinct in this environment, and that is true. So, for proper development of human life and sustenance of ecosystem, it is necessary to study the environment, which we have studied. And I hope you like this chapter. And if you are having any kind of doubts or any kind of problem in any kind of topic, you can share in the comment section. And I hope you all have done your previous homework and you all are doing homework regularly and you are utilizing this time very efficiently. Okay, so class, now I'm sharing assignment with all of you.